The factors affecting drill bit selection include the type of geology and the capabilities of the rig. Due to the high number of wells that have been drilled, information from an adjacent well is most often used to make the appropriate selection. Two different types of drill bits exist: fixed cutter and roller cone. A fixed cutter bit is one where there are no moving parts, but drilling occurs due to shearing, scraping or abrasion of the rock. Fixed cutter bits can be either polycrystalline diamond compact (PDC) or grit hot-pressed inserts (GHI) or natural diamond. Roller cone bits can be either tungsten carbide inserts (TCI) for harder formations or milled tooth (MT) for softer rock. The manufacturing process and composites used in each type of drill bit make them ideal for specific drilling situations. Additional enhancements can be made to any bit to increase the effectiveness for almost any drilling situation. A major factor in drill bit selection is the type of formation to be drilled. The effectiveness of a drill bit varies by formation type. There are three types of formations: soft, medium and hard. A soft formation includes unconsolidated sands, clays, soft limestones, red beds and shale. Medium formations include dolomites, limestones, and hard shale. Hard formations include hard shale, calcites, mudstones, cherty limestones and hard and abrasive formations. PDC drill bits for hard rock cost and wide range of application. It is wide used in well drilling, geological coring exploration, mineral exploration and other industries. PDC drill bits for hard rock cost and wide range of application. PDC drill bits for hard rock cost and wide range of application. PDC drill bits for hard rock cost and wide range of application. It is wide used in well drilling, geological coring exploration, mineral exploration and other industries. Half-tooth section high-efficiency concrete PDC core drill bits for hard rock. Suitable for limestone, dolomite, due to bit diamond cutting, staggered inside and outside, drilling speed. PDC is a kind of bit which uses PDC as cutting edge. It is an integrated bit, which has the advantages of high wear resistance, high strength and impact resistance. The bit is one of the three new drilling technologies in the modern world because of its simple structure without moving parts on the body. A large number of applications have provided that diamond composite bit has the advantages of high speed, more football. La quality when it is used in soft medium hard form. Compared against conventional diamond bit, it has the advantages of low